Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change flight on Qantas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Qantas.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly, frequent flyer, and we have of course in the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have your where you can go and book your own flight of course. So now let's see how you can actually go and change flight on Qantas. So first of all, as I told you in the start, go to the of course Qantas website and then click on manage booking tab and enter your booking reference and last name. So go to your profile, click on my bookings, second, and here you can go and click on manage booking, and here you need to go and put in your last name and of course the reference of the flight and everything. Now find your booking and click on change button. So I don't have a booking at the moment, but when you have one, it will have, of course, you have that appear. If the option is not available, it may be due to fare restrictions. Select your new flight based on available options. You may need to pay a change fee and any fare difference. Review your changes and confirm the new booking. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.